Hello everyone, welcome to Traders Corner and a very good evening to all. Today we're going to see about how Nifty performed today and what are the levels for tomorrow and how Nifty can perform tomorrow. So to begin with, we'll see how the Nifty performed today. I'll just mark what are the levels. Okay, these were the various levels for today. So as I said in my previous video, like Nifty gapped up, but still, because of the huge selling pressure which they have created, it came down to the demand zone, and this was a strong buying area because this is the area where Nifty started rallied on 31st after 3 o'clock. And this is the same area where yesterday the market came down and the downside movement was stopped. So this was a strong demand zone, and this was a minor support, and these two were the resistance created day before yesterday. So today when the market opened, because of the huge selling, even though if it was a gap up, they try to push the price down, and because of this demand zone, the price again went up and it went to this consolidation area. And before moving up, you can say the institutions or the traders, they got accumulated in this area, and first time they gave a breakout in this candle. And if you see futures, there was a huge volume also generated in this candle, and this was the first sign that Nifty will be going upwards. So from here the rally started, and it went to this area, and this was a minor resistance or the selling zone. It went to this area and it couldn't go up, and they tried to sell once again here, and this was the place like they were struggling over a large time. Even Bank Nifty, if you see the charts, this was the area they were trying to accumulate so long, because we have a huge supply zone or the resistance on top. To break it, they have accumulated so much in this area. Meanwhile, like since it was expiry, I was expecting either in this zone, or at least after entering into the zone, there might be a sell off or the profit booking might happen. But the whole move was like long build up. So this was a clear sign of bullishness, and FIIs, they have not done any profit booking for this rally. So this was one of my concern what it may happen tomorrow. But the thing or the way they have broken this zone and they have finished up in above the resistance, it was an indication that FII institutions or the market is still bullish. So this was the move for today, and let's see the levels for tomorrow and how it can perform. Okay, and these two will be a strong supply and demand zone, and market may not come down here, but still we'll have this position for future. So the various levels, it would be, if the price comes to this area, it will be a strong demand zone and the price will go up. First level, and this is the area where they have accumulated and gone up. So this will also be a strong buying zone. So at this moment, okay, in case tomorrow if the market gaps up in this area, for sure, if it sustains above this level, Okay, so if it is gaps up with a huge volume, and if they try to manage this level, price will once come to this zone, and they will bounce up and they will try to go up further. Okay, and if it is a flat opening, and if they couldn't maintain this level, and if they open with a huge bearish candle with a sell off volume, for sure they will come to this level. From here they will bounce back and they will try to go up like this. And with the amount of position they have built up, I hope this will be very difficult to break this level. Okay, so this would be the possible move for tomorrow, and I don't think so they will break it very easily. By chance, if they are breaking this demand zone with a huge selling candle, with not just the candle, but if they break it with a huge volume, then price can go down. If not, price will sustain here, and it will again try to go up only. So when price approaches this area, you have to be very careful and look for at least 15 minutes candle. Don't fall for the any fake moves like which they may create. Just the wick can come down and they may pull it back. So don't fall for it. Kindly wait for candle confirmation along with the volume. Look for the volumes and then proceed. Okay, so look for this zone very carefully and look for the volume also. So in case if they're giving a bounce over here, for sure you can buy and you can wait for the target of this zone. And again, further, if you want to go up to the higher levels, they need to break this level with a huge bullish candle along with the volume. Okay, and if they break this level after coming down, if they come down, most probably I don't think so, but I'm not sure anyway. We cannot predict anything. This could be the possible moves or and the levels. Okay, and if they break this level and the same move it will happen if they bounce from here, the same move will happen here also. And the second scenario would be like this only. They will come to this level, it will bounce and will move up. And what could be the since the market is in all time high, we will not know until where the market can go up. So to know that, we can just use Fibonacci and we can predict the higher targets. And downside targets, these could be the possibilities. If they break this zone, for sure they will come to this level, and then only either they will go up or else they will go down. Okay, and by chance, if they take a support from here, if they take a strong support from here, and if they are moving, and if they are moving up, this could be the possible targets. So if they strongly bounce from this area, this could be the possible levels for Nifty. 17,242. Okay, and if they sustain this range, for sure the next target will be 17,263. You can mark these levels. If the in the first 15 minutes or 30 minutes if the price sustain in this level, for sure immediately they will touch this levels of 14,242 and 14,263. Okay, and again if they sustain and if they hold this area, if they sustain in this, and if they break this level, there is a possible for 2.4 and 4. and the final it could be this thing. These are my predictions and levels for Nifty tomorrow. Okay, and lower levels we knew already. If they break this level range, and if they are moving down, for sure they will go to this level. In between we have a minor support in this area. Okay, so by morning, if they doesn't hold this level and if they're breaking down, for sure it will come to this area, which is around 17198 to this range, 17188 to 17189, and only this will be the deciding level whether it will hold down or they will move up. This should be the stop at the bottom levels and wait for price action in this area, whether the price is bouncing. Okay, and again after coming down, if they break this level, then we can expect higher levels. Okay, okay, this is my Nifty analysis for tomorrow. If you have doubts, please ask me, and if there is any wrong in my analysis, please let me know. No one is master in trading, and if you have any doubts, I will try to clarify and clear you. And guys, tomorrow it's Friday, so keep it in mind. During the first half you can trade, and during second half stay light, because what you're gonna do tomorrow will make your weekend. Okay guys, take care, trade safe, and be safe at home in this COVID. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe so that if there is any updates in the future, you will get to know. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you. Bye.